Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I wanted to break out some old palettes and use, and I wanted to do some colored stuff. So I broke out the Kat Von D Me Vida Loca palette. This is not available anymore. I'm sorry you can't get it now, but there is a lot of good palettes out there, especially by ColourPop, that has different colors in it. But this is the Kat Von D palette. I'm going to start on this side. I'm going to use like the pink shades as my first look, and I did use a couple transition shades, but I want to go ahead and move around this palette for the next few weeks, and I'm going to, I don't know which way I'm going to go next, but I wanted to start with pink just because pink is so pretty and so summery and in right now, and so I made this look with it. So if you want to follow along with this little series that I'm going to be doing and like just make some different colored looks and break out your old palette that you might have, or if you have like some new palettes that you can make the same look with, we're going to go ahead and dive right into it. So just go ahead and keep watching.
Okay, I'm taking the taupe shade in the center. You can pick from those center shades because those are all transition shades. And I'm just building that up into like the upper crease area. You know me and that little flap of skin. So I have to put my transition shade over top of the crease. Because if you bury it down in the crease, you're just going to lose it. So I just keep working it back and forth until that's built up. And then I took the MAC 217, which is my favorite brush in the world, and I used that to build up that pink shade. That is such a pretty pink. It's like really vibrant. These shades are so good. I mean, I really have been missing out. I've owned this palette for a long time, and I have been missing out because I don't never use it. I mean, look how vibrant that pink is. And so I just kept building that up, and I brought it in the inner corner because I really wanted it to be like a pink smoky eye and just kind of like look really like sexy and kind of dark but pink. You know what I'm saying? And so I just use that brush and I keep flattening it, patting it down, and then I can just go back over it with the same brush. And then I used that little bit more vibrant pink that you see in the palette that's like right beside the other pink. And that just brought like, it had like the purple reflex to it. And I just thought it made it look so vibrant. Then I went back in with that first pink shade and just ran that underneath my eye. And I just smoked it out. What I'm doing is I'm bringing my eyeshadows a little lower right now because I feel like it has the wrinkles. And so I've been bringing my shades down a little bit lower. And that's kind of working for me too. It really is. Okay, now I took the black shade in the palette and just put it on a little angled brush and just made myself a little liner. I'm not good at this, so I had to come up really close. I mean, I have such a hard time seeing. I'm going to need some glasses because I cannot see unless I'm right on top of the mirror. And so I just kept building that up. I was getting so close to the mirror that my camera was getting super dark. But I wanted to show you that you can make it pretty even if you mess it up. And so that's what I did. Okay, now I like to go in with a flesh colored eye pencil, and you can use any one you have. This is the NYX pencil. It's like in the light shade, but I love that flesh tone in the lower eye line. Like that looks so good to me because it like really makes the eye pop. I mean, it makes the eye open up really big. It looks really good. And then there is a little shimmer pink shade in that palette, and I just pack that on the inner corner. Whatever light shade you have, it can have pink reflex in it if you want it to. That looks pretty. And then I put that in the corner of the eye and on the brow bone just to lighten it up a little bit and just give a little dimension to it so it doesn't look like a pink eye. I think that eyeliner is very important there that I use the powder to do because that breaks up some of that pink too. And this is Benefit Roller Lash. I love it. Again, you can always use false lashes here. This is the place to do them. I'm just lazy AF and I don't want to mess with them. Like after I'm done with the makeup, I don't want to put on fake lashes. And they're not, I get annoyed with them. So I'm just building my mascara up as much as I can. It doesn't look as good without the false lashes, but I still like the look anyway. And that's pretty much it for this look. We're going to wrap this thing up.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Please comment anything you want to see from me down below. I thank you so much for your continued support, and I'll see you guys later.